Hello students and welcome to the video class of the new chapter probability. In last class we discussed the concept of binomial theorem and some how to find the particular term and what is how to find the coefficient of some particular powers and some problems. Today we are going to discuss the new concept that is probability. Before that we should concentrate our mind. So let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now the topic is what? Probability. Actually, what do you mean by probability? Probability means what? Probable occurrence of events probably, or the chance of happening of an event is called probability. Actually, literal meaning is what? Probability means the chance of happening of an event is called probability of that event. Okay, so in literal meanings, probability means what? It means the chance of happening of an event, chance of happening of an event is called the probability of that event. Probability of that event. Some terminology, some terms used in probability. Some terms used in probability. Actually, what is experiment? Number one term is experiment. Actually, what is experiment? Experiment means what? An operation which results some well defined outcomes is known as what? Experiment. So experiment means an operation which produce or which results some outcomes is called an experiment. And what is a random experiment? What is discrete experiment? So what is random experiment? Let's discuss about random experiment. Now what is random experiment? Number two, random experiment. The experiment is said to be random. The experiment is said to be random if the outcomes, the certain outcomes cannot be predicted in advance. तर आउटकम विषय आम कन्फर्म कहीपरि सपोज कॉइन टॉस कली इफ ए कॉइन इज टॉस then we cannot certainly say it that head is occur or tail is occur. We cannot certainly say it. So example, tossing of a coin. Tossing of a coin is a random experiment. Because we cannot decide, because we cannot be decided head is occur or tail is occur. Head is occur, head will occur or tail will occur. We cannot certainly say it. Now, this is random experiment. Now, what is trial? Trial means what? Repeated events, repeated, that is repeated under similar conditions and does not give some and does not give same result. This is trial. Now, trial means what? When an experiment is repeated under similar conditions and does not give same result. Same result is a trial, is called trial. Suppose example, if a coin is tossed, then it is trial. Then it is a trial. Then it is a trial. Now we'll discuss what is sample space. Sample space. Trial means what? We can suppose a coin is tossed once, the number of trial is 1. Suppose a coin is tossed twice, number of trial is 2. Thrice, number of trial is 3, etc. Now, what is sample space? What is sample space? Sample space means what? Collection of all possible, the set of collection of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called sample space. So sample space means, that is term for sample space. The collection of the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called sample space. And it is denoted by capital S. Note, in probability The role of sample space as like the role of sample space as like the universal set in set theory. Set theory universal set जहाँ रोल अच्छी प्रोबेबिलिटी रे sample space रोल सेम अच्छी. For example, write the sample space if a coin is tossed twice. Write the sample space if a coin is twice. Example of sample space. Example of sample space. Example of sample space. Number 1, write the sample space if a coin is tossed once. So answer is what? So answer is coin is tossed once. So sample space S is equal to either H or T. Now another example. If a coin is tossed twice, then write the sample space. If a coin is tossed twice, then write the sample space. So answer is what? A coin is tossed twice. S is equal to either first time head, second time tail, or first time tail, second time head, or two heads or two tails. This is sample space. Here S kernel T. Here S kernel T is equal to 2. That is 2. Here S kernel T equal to 2 square. That is 4 means what? 4 means 2 square. So we can conclude that. Note. If a coin is tossed n times or n coins are tossed once. N coins are tossed once, then S mod is equal to 2 to the power n. Then S mod is equal to 2 to the power n. Now write the sample space if a die is rolled once. Another example 3. Write the sample space if a die is rolled once. Write the sample space if a die is rolled once. Die having 6 faces, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the sample. Another example. Write the sample space. If a dice is rolled n times. Rolled twice. Suppose roll twice. First गोटे डाई को 2 थर मु रोल कली फास्ट थर 1 पड़े सेकेंड थर 1 पड़ी पारे फास्ट थर 1 पड़े सेकेंड थर 2 हो पारे 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 similarly 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 dot dot 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6 तो S mod is equal to what? Number of element here. S mod equal to 36. Here S mod is equal to cardinality of S equal to 1. 6 square 1 is equal to 6. 36 means 6 square. So one note if a die is rolled n times or n dice are rolled once, then S mod is equal to if a die is rolled once, if a die is rolled once or n dice is rolled, if a die note if a die is rolled n times or n dice are rolled once, then S mod is equal to 6 to the power n. Then S mod is equal to 6 to the power n. Now what is sample space over and what is the event? What is event? This is first one is what? First one is experiment, second one is random experiment, third one is trial, and fourth one is sample space, and now fifth one is what? Event. The subset, it is event. The subsets of sample space. Subsets of sample space are called events. And denoted by capital A, B, C, E, etc. For example, if a coin is tossed twice, then getting at most one head is an event. एमती केते इवेंट हो पार जहाँ रिक्वायर्ड थो दैट इज फेवरेबल इवेंट. सपोज S इज इक्वल टू सॉल्यूशन S इज इक्वल टू दैट इज H T T H T and TH. This is the sample space. Getting at most one head, maximum one head माने 1 to हेनी कौन हो पार ना TT हो पार HT and this is what TH. maximum one head थिबा दरकार. केतरा maximum one head? maximum one माने 1 to less भी हो पार 1 or 1 less than 1. तो इवेंट हला A is equal to TT HT and TH. एटा इवेंट ये होची इवेंट. The requirement थी से इवेंट लिखले फेवरेबल इवेंट कहूची. ओके इवेंट. तो इवेंट all events are always some subset of sample space. Clear? Now Now sample points. Sample points. Each element of sample space. Each element of sample space is called a sample point. Sample point. Sample point. Each element of sample space is called what? Sample point. Okay? Sample point. Then what is types of events? Types of event. Simple event. Number one, types of event. Simple event. Simple event or elementary event. A event having single sample point. An event having single sample point is called simple event or elementary event. For example, if a die is rolled once, then getting a even prime number. Even इतवा अच्छी prime number उतवा दरकार. तो S is equal to what? Solution S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even prime number. Here 2 is even prime number. Even अच्छी prime अच्छी. तो event A is equal to 2. This is simple one element. If the event, that is event A is equal to only 2, event containing single element. So this type of, this is elementary event or what? Or simple point. What is simple event? Got it? Now another concept, types of event, that is compound event, mixed events or compound events or composite events. Same meaning. Composite events. Same meaning. If the event contains more than two elements, sample points is called compound events or mixed event or composite events. Now one example regarding to the compound events. What is the example? Example is what? If a coin is tossed, then getting head and tail is mixed event. Similarly, if a coin is tossed, a die is thrown, then getting odd numbers is also the compound event. Example, if a coin is tossed twice, then getting at least one head, getting at least one head, that is one head, that is what? That is event A is equal to HT, TH and HH. This is the event. Getting at least one head means one head, here two head. So the event contains more than one sample point, so it is what? Mixed type of event or compound event or composite event. Now another concept, that is what? Another concept is impossible event, sure event. Impossible event and sure event. Impossible event. Impossible event. What is impossible event? 8. Impossible event. Impossible event. If there is no, if the event having no sample points, is called impossible events and denoted by phi. Example, if a die is rolled once, then getting a number greater than 6. गोटे नंबर को डाइट थ्रो कले गोटे नंबर टे कहीपर 7 टू 6 टू अधिक आस नंबर आसो कि ना. सो हियर देयर इज नो event is equal to solution. Here event is equal to no elements. So this is equal to what? Phi. Now what is sure event? Sure event, the whole sample space is called sure event and whose probability is always 1. Whole sample space is called sure event. Okay, now what is equally likely events? Equally likely event. Now equally likely event. Equally likely events. Equally likely events. First, what is exclusive? Mutually exclusive events. The events E1, E2, E3 En are said to be mutually exclusive events if no pair of events have common elements that is ei intersection ej is equal to ei intersection ej is equal to not equal to phi, not equal to, have no common elements, no pair of events have common elements, that is intersection should be what? Intersection should be phi. Intersection should be phi, that is E1 intersection E2 phi, E1 intersection E3 phi dot E1 intersection En phi. Similarly, E2 intersection E3 phi, etc. That is what? I not equal to j. For I not equal to j, that means what? E1 E2, here I equal to 1, 2 is equal to j, like this, no common. Then what is adjustive events? Adjustive events, the union of all the union of all events is equal to the sample space is called the adjustive event, mutually adjustive. 11th bits, mutually adjustive events. And what is the mutually exclusive event? Now examples of mutually exclusive event. Examples of mutually exclusive events. Examples of mutually exclusive events, that is if a die is rolled once, then A is equal to event getting an even number, B is equal to event getting an odd number. So solution is what? A is equal to here, A is equal to even number, that is what? 2, 4, 6, and B is equal to what? B is equal to event getting odd number 1, 3, 5. So A intersection B is equal to 5. Therefore, A and B are mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. Now, what is adjustive event? What is adjustive event? Mutually adjustive event. Mutually adjustive event. Mutually adjustive event. Then goes, that is 11. Mutually adjustive events. Mutually adjustive events. The events E1, E2, E3 and En are said to be mutually adjustive events if E1 union E2 union E3 union En is equal to whole sample spaces. union of event. If the union of all event is equal to S, then it is called mutually exhaustive event. Example: if a coin is tossed twice, then the event, then A is equal to, or E1 is equal to event getting only heads. E1 is equal to event getting only exactly 2 heads. E2 equal to event getting exactly what? 2 tails. E3 equal to event getting exactly 1 head. Now E1 is equal to what? Now E1 is equal to here exactly 2 heads, that is 2 heads, HH. E2 equal to what? Exactly 2 tails, TT. E3 is equal to what? E3 equal, here sample space is equal to what? Here sample space, here S is equal to HH, TT, TH, HT. This is the sample space. Now E1 is equal to HH, E3 is equal to event getting exactly 1 head. So either HT or TH. Now E1 union E2 union E3, that is what? HH, TT, HT, TH. So whole sample space S. This is the concept of mutually exhaustive event. What is mutually exclusive and exhaustive event? Both conditions here to be satisfied. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. Now mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. Mutually, this is 12, exclusive and exhaustive. The event E1, E2, E3 .en. The event E1, E2, E3 .en are said to be mutually exhaustive event if they are pairwise disjoint and union of all the events should be sample space. So this type of events are called mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. Okay, so note down please. The events E1, E2, E3 up to En. The event E1, E2, E3 En are said to be mutually exclusive and exhaustive events if EI intersection EJ is equal to phi I not equal to J and union of I is equal to 1 to N, EI is equal to S. That means what? This means what? E1 union E2 dot dot union En is equal to S. Okay. Now equally likely events, that is equally likely events, equally likely events, equally likely events, equally likely events, equally likely events. Two events are said to be equally likely if the chance of happening of both events are same, and occurrence of one is independent of occurrence of another, and occurrence of one event does not affect happening of other, does not affect happening of others. Now example is what? देखो mutually likely equally likely events means what? coin toss करिए, coin toss कले head एवर आसीबा चांसेस जतिक अछि, tail आसीबा चांसेस जतिक अछि. तो यहाँ हूँ इक्वाली लाइकली इवेंट. थरे हेड आसीगला कौन टेल आसबन माने कौन अच्छी ना हेड आस सब मान कुछ अच्छे डिपेंड कौन कौन आस अनसर्टेन. सो टॉसिंग अप ए कॉइन, टॉसिंग अप ए कॉइन, getting a head or and a tail, and a tail is equally likely events, okay. Now these are the some conditions and some terminology used in probability. Now some concept of playing cards, concept regarding playing cards. And probability playing cards is very important. About the concept about playing card is very important. Playing cards. A pack of playing cards contains 52 cards. A pack of playing cards contains 52 cards. Denomination, what is denomination? The denomination are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. 13 denomination. Each denomination one has, this is written as A, 4 cards. This is 4 cards. So each having 4 cards. This is 4 cards, and this is also 4 cards. This is also 4 cards. 4 cards is having 4 cards, and this is denoted as J, Jack, J for Jack, and this is Q, Queen, Q for Queen, and this is King. J means 11, Q means that is J means Jack, its denomination is 11, and Q means Queen, its denomination is 12, K means King, its denomination. So number of colors, number of colors number of colors 2, that is red, and this is red and black. Each card contains 20, each color contains 26 cards. This 26 card and this is 26 cards. Okay, this is 3. Number of suits here, suits, that is write concept 1, concept 2, concept 3 regarding the what? Regarding the playing cards, concept 1, concept 2, concept 3. Now, number of concept 4 about playing cards, number of suits, suits 4 suits, that is this is one suit, this is another suit, this is and this is, there are 4 suits. This is called what? This is called first, second, these are red cards, and this is called what? Heart. This is diamond, and this is what? Spades, and this is club. 4 suits. These 2 colors are what? Black color. This is black color, black cards. Number of cards, heart, number of, that is heart 13, diamond 13, spade 13, club 13. There are 4 suits. Each suit contains 4 cards, 13 cards. 4 suits, that is heart, diamond, spade, club. Now what are the face cards? Koda face achi. Face cards. First J means what? Jack. तो J लिखा होची ये गोटे फेस कार्ड केतरा अछि 4 कार्ड्स 4 Jack, then Q, Queen, Q and King, K. These are called face cards. And what are the honor cards? Honor cards means what? ACE means what? Ekka kuch A, J, Q, K. These 4 types of cards are called honor cards. These are some concepts regarding to the fundamental of the chapter probability, fundamental concept. In next video, we will discuss what is the axiomatic definition of the probability and some properties of the probability. Thank you. Have a nice day.